Hi viewers. In this tutorial I will give you some hint or some tips in making some video opener for your video. I'm now making some. This is my Canva. I have Canva Pro, and then we will make some video opener to my video. I'm having some channel that called Prank Summarizer. In the channel you can see some funny video about animal or just some jokes. This we maybe at starting you pick video, and then you will go here. You can just and then you maybe want to change this. You can change with something that related. This one I'm using for my video. I have about three titles that I want to make the opener for every video. You can see, and then the first I will say prank. This is because the title is prank. Okay. Yes, and then you make this as video background. Hit play. Okay, it's first one, and I will make it short, maybe about 6 seconds. Then I make some again. I pick because the second title is let me see this first. Okay, maybe this is something matter with court the judge, and then I will like this, copy this. Okay, then I'll make it again for the third title my video. Maybe I will using some school. This school. This you press Ctrl and C, and then you use Ctrl and V for pass. Ctrl C is for copying, Ctrl V is for pass. Okay, and then if you think you're finished, don't forget to give some title here, so you can find the file after you are downloading it. Like this, I name this for jokes over here, and then you pick this, pick download, and then you choose this. And before, yes, because we want a video. Oh, I forget to make it smaller here, and then download it. Okay, that's it. We are waiting for its download, and that's it. You will find the file in your computer or your PC after you download it. Okay, that's all for the tutorial in using Canva for your video opener. I hope you can make it something better, or maybe better than me. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.